Hi everybody. I'm going to make you a quick sample video on how to get the concept map or mind map tool from the Conqr website, just to make sure you know how to download it and quite frankly how easy it is to do. So as you can see here on my computer screen, we have the goconqr.com URL up here. That is hyperlinked for you in the assignment, so you can just click it. It should take you right here, and you'll be using the sign up for free button. I've already built an account, so I'm going to pause and open this up. But when you sign up for this, please do not pay for anything. You won't get reimbursed for that. We're going to use the freeware and the good help of this free software for a college project. So don't pay for anything, please. All right. So I'll be right back. All right. So as you can see, I logged into my page here. It kind of looks like a Facebook page or something. I'm not sure what they're really going for with this, but whatever. So we're going to go up here to the Create button. Push that button right here on the top left corner, or upper left corner, I should say. And you can see it gives you some slides like PowerPoint. You can make your own flashcards here, which might be handy for another class if you want. But you are going to use, there's some other stuff here. You can actually make your own quiz. But you're going to use the mind map. Okay, so click this mind map button, and it is going to take you to this cute little page right here where you can see they already have it sort of halfway designed for you. Okay, so here we are in our page, and I tried to get rid of some of this advertisement stuff over here, but it seems to want to hang around a lot. This is a really easy software, I think, to use. I think you'll find it pretty simple. As you can see, they already have the first bubble here. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter some text right here. So I'm going to enter Jason conspiracy map, whatever. Okay, and I'm also going to want to put in let's go ahead and make a leg off of this. So as you can see, click to drag this button to create a new node. So you're going to go whoop, like over here. And so over here we can make this a little bit bigger with these little arrow things right here. And over on this side you might want to put the crime, right? So let's say you did a crime of bank robbery. So you'd put, the foiled bank robbery of the Canton Bank. That'd be right here, right? And over here we'd go ahead and we'd put the part where they meet, right? So original meeting of principals, right? And the principals are, of course, the guys who are actually doing the robbing of the bank, okay? And you're going to start to break down your crime with the original meeting, moving on into the, the discussion, the conspiracy phase, moving into the act in furtherance or the substantial step phase where they go from talking to starting to do, and then into the attempt phase. So you're going to you'll just keep building out leg after leg after leg, to this map. Okay, and you can do it in any fashion you want to. Again, creativity is up to you. All right, so you want to build another one coming off of this, you just go back and clip that. Whoop. You can put your little thing there, and if you recall in the instructions, it says you need to build some legs coming off of this. So let's put a bad guy here, and I want to put another bad guy here, and we'll go down here, and I want to grab that again, and I'm going to put another bad guy. We'll put them right there, right? So that's kind of pretty. So we would take our bad guy number 1, our bad guy number 2, and our bad guy number 3, right? Let's say these two were the two guys robbing the bank, and this third guy, he would be an accomplice after the fact. Perhaps your story has something about the two bank robbers took off and hid in some third guy's house, and that's where they got caught, right? So the third guy would be this guy. He would be an accomplice after the fact. If somebody helped them get some guns or something to rob the bank beforehand, right, we would have to add a little thing, little bubble over here, and you can see it wants to fight with me a little bit, but this would be our accomplice before the fact. So we'd have a guy helping before the fact, our two bank robbers who tried to rob the bank and failed, and then our accomplice after the fact, right? So you're going to want to label out all those players in your particular crime, okay? Up here, you can see in the where they allow you to insert some media up here, so we can go, and I just had this picture, I just pulled it up out of a file of mine. This guy, he killed this baby. So just grab, I already had it from another thing, so just grab any picture you want to. You can obviously search the net or search your own files, or you bring in pictures of your bad guys or whatever, and click insert. Use that one, insert, and you will see that your pictures just insert right up into there. Okay, you can bring in other items as well. You're going to need to bring in some URLs and stuff like that, some hyperlinks. So you'll want to drop those into your presentation as well. Okay, when it's all said and done and ready to go, if you go right here to your actions button, click that. You can see it gives you this big list of things to do, and you're going to want to save this, but I would also want you to grab a link. So the social media one I thought worked the best, and it provides you some links to your map right here. Just copy the link, and then this link is what you're going to put into Canvas as your assignment. Okay, so when you're ready to submit your assignment for the week, just to submit this link to me, and I will be able to go and take a look at your map. Okay, please make sure you do save your map though. Give it a name and save it in your account there at Conqr, just in case there is a problem. Sometimes there is problems. Okay, all right, so that's how you do it. I think you'll find it pretty easy. It'll be a little challenging for about 2 minutes, and then you'll be like, okay, I got this. And then you just have to map out your crime, your individuals, and then put in the text and information about each step of the way according to Mass General Law. Okay? Don't forget to bring in the Mass Law stuff to this. We're not just recreating a news article here. Okay? You are going to apply it. The point of this class is being able to understand the criminal law, and that comes from application. So I want to watch you apply the elements of an event to the elements of the crime as written in the statute. All right, so good luck everybody, and I'll talk to you next time.